Portfolio review for close of market 24th of December 2020. Vaccinations have started in the UK, and as of from the 26th of December we're going more or less into a full lockdown. My best performing share on the Trading 212 platform is SolarEdge, and that has increased since I purchased these shares by 176%. And my least best performing share is a company called Aston Martin. Aston Martin are a UK-based luxury car manufacturer. They've had a very prestigious career. They made the first, or supplied the first car for James Bond, and he drove Aston Martin several times in several films, but they're not doing so well at the moment, and the price of their shares is down 65%, and the broker's sentiment for this share is a further downward trend. So shares range in performance up 181% and down 65%. Quickly going down my list, as I say, I've got over £9,000 invested in this portfolio, and the total return is down 0.66%. So we've got some good returns and not so good returns. 2 times Alphabet. This is Google shares, and that reflects how the shares perform, but it's amplified by 2 times. So any increase is increased by 2, and any downturn is increased by 2. So we're up 30% there. Amazon, 2 times Amazon. I went big on this one. At the moment, the loss has been amplified by 2 times, and I'm down 22%. But given time, I'm sure Amazon will come back. Admiral Group, UK-based insurance company, they're up 41%. Alibaba, that's China's equivalent of Amazon, for want of a simplistic way of saying things, and they're down 15%. Alphabet, which is Google, they're up 30%. Alatex, they're down 12%. And what they do as a company, I've just got to refresh my memory there, they are self-service data and analytics software company. So it's new technologies. Go back to the portfolio. We've got Amazon, just a general holding in Amazon. They're up 39%. Christmas time, Amazon. And then with the more lockdowns coming up, more home shopping, so Amazon's only going to go one way. Aston Martin, I mentioned that, my least best performing share. AstraZeneca, that's a pharmaceutical company. They're down 25%, but they're teaming up with Oxford to roll out the vaccine for the coronavirus, but they've sort of pledged to do it at no profit, so they're going to be famous for doing it, but there's not a lot of money in it for them. But I think, let's hope people will remember the name AstraZeneca once we've got the virus put to bed, what part they've played in supplying the vaccine to the world. Auto Trader, that's a it started off life as a magazine where you where dealers and individuals bought and sold cars. It's now an online portal, and that's the sort of first place you go to if you're looking for a new car or a second-hand car, if you're going to buy one or sell one. And they're up 10%. BAE Systems, they're down 0.79%. It's a UK-based armaments manufacturer and sort of defence manufacturer, and software and supplier, etc. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, that reflects his shareholdings. They're up 19%. Boeing, they're down 18%, but it's just on the news that is it the 737 MAX has now been brought back into service after it's over a year it's been out of service because there were 2 fatal crashes. BP plc up 0.79%, Braemar Shipping up 46%, British Land down 19%. They have a lot of holdings, I believe, in shops and offices in London, and there's not much call for them at the moment with the pandemic being about and not people wanting to stay or work in London. Britvic, which is a long-term hold, they're down 1.9%. Brookfield Properties, that's a property holding, they're down 4.5%. Brookfield Renewables, that gives you access to the renewables market, they're up 27%. Bushveld Mining, I think that's a gold exploration company plus other minerals, they're up 51%. Cairn Energy, they're up 131%. UK-based oil exploration company. They saw a massive upturn this week because I think the Indian government were told to repay some tax or something along those lines. Ceres Power, that's a technology where you can where it supplies technology to convert gas into electricity, are up 149%. Bosch, the German engineering company, have taken an interest in Ceres and they've got a holding in there or some collaboration. City Developments, this is a Singapore-based real estate company. I wanted to get an interest into Singapore. They hold properties in Singapore and throughout the world, but their base is Singapore. DraftKings, they're up 49%. EasyJet, down 0.89%, but there's no call for airlines at the moment, but I'm rather hoping for a bounce back. Enquest, oil-based company. ExxonMobil, we all know them, they're up 17%. Ford Motor Company up 35%. They're getting into electric vehicles. I think there's room for growth for them. Gulf Keystone, I believe they are into oil exploration or that type of, and they're up 50%. Hollywood Bowl, bowling alleys in the UK, up 3%. But as we come out of the pandemic and we get the vaccine up and running and lockdowns ease up, I'm sure they'll go up. Hunting, they're related to the oil industry, they're up 9%. Haier, that's a Chinese company, and I believe they're involved in, just double check that, based holding company principally engaged in the live streaming, game live streaming, so that's quite a popular one, and they are up 7%. IAG, that's a finance company, they're up 13%. Innovo Pharmaceuticals, the name speaks for itself, pharmaceutical company, up 15%. Johnson & Johnson, good American steady company, down 2%. London Stock Exchange, that's where all the shares are traded in the UK, they're up 49%. Microsoft, we all know Microsoft, they're up 1%. MNG, they are up 19%. Just refresh my memory what they do as a company. It's a UK-based company. It's a saving and investment company, and they're up, as I said, 19%. Money Supermarket, that's a website where you go to find cheap deals on insurance and other financial products. They're down 0.02%. National Grid, UK-based power network where they supply electricity. I'll just get the full description on them. I may not have described that quite correctly. National Grid, I invested in them because they're going to be here for a long time. There's a need for electricity or whatever. Company provides electricity and gas to customers. It operates through 3 segments in the UK: energy transmission, etc. So that's a company that's going to be here for a long time. Nokia, you remember them from the Nokia mobile phones. Now they're getting into 5G. I bought them to get exposure to 5G. At the moment, they're down 24%. Nordex, they're up 185%. Nordex, they a German-based holding company which are into renewables. There's a big market for that. Pepsi, the Coca-Cola alternative, they're up 4.4%. Pharos Energy, that's a UK-based oil company, they're up 29%. Premier Oil, not doing so well. They've had a bit of a checkered history. I've made a lot of money on Premier Oil on another platform over a year ago, but no, they're not doing so well. They're down 48%. Provident Financial, they are a company that supply credit to people who struggle sometimes to get credit. Their next port of call probably would be a loan shark. So that's just one of the things they do. But they've been in business for many years, and they're up 79%. I think it's going to be a definite market for them. Qualcomm, they are up 52%, and Qualcomm, I believe I bought them to get exposure to the 5G market, a wireless technology company. Yep, that's the reason why I bought shares in them. Rockhopper, that's an oil exploration company, and they have interests in the Falkland Islands, which is off Argentina. Royal Dutch Shell, large international oil company, up 2%. Scientific Games, that's a gaming company, up 107%. Solar Edge, that's a solar powered company, renewables, up 28%. Taylor Wimpey, UK based house builder, they're up 8%. Telefonica, O2, UK based mobile company. I see I've got my airtime provider for my mobile phone, they're down 10%. Travis Perkins, UK-based builders merchants. I have a direct sort of understanding of how they work as their business model. They're up 17%. Tritag Big Box, that's a real estate investment trust where they have large warehouses that they rent out to the likes of Amazon, etc. They're up 10%. Tullow Oil, UK-based oil company, up 87%. Vanek Vectors, they're up 2%. Just got to refresh my mind what they do. They are a instrument details. That's a gaming company. That's it. It's that's a fund of where you get exposure to the various gaming companies, and they are Vanek. Exchange, it's an exchange traded fund. They're up 2%. Vanguard FTSE, that follows the FTSE index, up 19%. Virgin Galactic, Richard Branson's space company, I want to look to the future. They're up 47%. Walt Disney are up 70%, and they're getting more into live streaming now, so I may pay to possibly buy some more shares. Exlinex, that's up 38%, and they are a design and developing programmable devices and associated technologies. The company's programmable devices and associated technologies include integrated circuits. So they're a technology company. Yamana Gold, a gold mining company, they're up 43%, and Zynga, finally, up 1.9%, and they are I believe they're a Chinese-based. No, I may not be quite right there. They are a social game services company, develops, markets, and operates social games as live services played on mobile platforms such as iPhone operating systems. So that's a very diverse spread of all the shares I've got on my Trading 212 platform. I think I'm a bit I sort of go for the next shiny object. I might rationalise my holdings and narrow it down to certain areas, but I still find it quite interesting. At the moment, as I say, I'm only down 0.63%, and I'm looking for increases at some point, not in the too distant future. So I might take some profits, buy some more, sell some more, hold some more, but there's lots of possibilities there. Take a look at my YouTube channel, where I've got many short videos like this one, where I discuss different types of shares and different holdings, and I sort of discuss the platforms, different types of methods of investing, and different companies I've invested in, and give you different ideas and show you how I do things and give you commentary. So it's my platform, youaremovingup.com. No, you are moving up. youaremovingup.com is my website, but You Are Moving Up is the name of my channel on YouTube. It's well worth taking a look. Well, you are looking because you're watching this on YouTube, no doubt. So that's the update for December the 24th, and I'm putting this out on Christmas Day just to give you something to look at before you eat your turkey or drink too much. So until next time, I bid you a very happy Christmas and investing adventure.